Yeah, guys, today I just want to start a general discussion. And in my general discussion, first I like to ask you a question. What do you mean by a language? Both I'm asking for you and them,
A
for
barrier
both offline
between
and
the
online.
two persons.
Yeah.
It's
What is
been a
generally a
language.
language? I'm talking about generally what is language.
It is a medium which is used to interact with another person or a two person.
Exactly. Yeah. Correct. What is language then finally? It is a medium to convey something. It's a medium to convey something. That is called language, right? Yes. Okay. Medium to convey something. Convey something. That's called language, no? Very good. Nice. Okay. I again want to tell you now, please listen to the session very clearly and carefully. You will come to know a lot of things. Okay. I just started with a simple word called first what's language. Okay. It's a medium to convey something. Very good. Now the next question, obviously. What are the different types of languages?
Telugu, Hindi, English, Tamil.
Okay. What are the different types of languages?
Like Java, Python, .NET.
Uh-huh. Okay, no problems.
No, it's programming language and human language.
Programming language and human language. Okay. Okay. Yeah. From your end, offline guys. Yeah, online guys, you keep on telling answers. Okay. You keep on telling answers. I'm listening you. Thank you. Thanks for response. Yeah. Okay. Yes. Okay. See, I can tell you there are two types of languages. How many? Two types. One is a, see guys, I'm writing otherwise it's better I'm writing like a point wise. Okay. There are two types of languages. There are two types of languages. What are they? One is a, I think you're testing some of the tools, how they are working. I appreciate you, but I will erase that whatever you have drawn. Where is annotate? Done. Okay. Yeah, guys. Do you know what are the two types of languages? One is a natural language. One is what language? Natural language. Then what is the second language? Obviously. No. It's not. Formal language. Okay. So what are the two types of languages, guys? Finally, natural languages and formal languages are there. Okay, guys. Try to understand. Okay. Now, natural language means what? Okay, examples. What are natural languages that we know? Now I'm speaking in English. You may speak in Hindi or Telugu. Am I right or not? What are all they? These are all natural languages, right? With natural languages, what we can do? Okay, language means that only, na? What generally language means? Language is a medium to communicate, right? It's a medium to convey something. That is called what? Language, right? So what with natural language we can do? We can convey everything, anything we can convey. But we can also convey past, present, future. Am I right or not? Can we convey in English about past? Yesterday that was happened. Right. Yesterday at 11 o'clock session I was attended for full stack development when Ashok is taking the session. Got my point or not? Today I'm attending at 8:30. Okay. Tomorrow I'm going to attend at 8:30, or tomorrow I'm going to do this program. What you can do? You can convey past information, present information, and future information. Right? That is possible with which languages? Natural languages. So means natural language like Hindi, Telugu, English, Arabic, whatever you say, German, Korean, whatever, Chinese, whatever. With all these, what you can do? You can convey anything and everything, like past information, present information, and future information. These are all comes under which category? So with natural languages, what you can do? You can convey past, present, and future information. They are called what type of languages? Natural languages. You got my point? Just for your information, I'm writing it. Okay. If you are learning, I'm just going to tell you the sessions for core Java in such a way that you should not feel that I am learning now Java. In future, for example, if my job role demands that I need to also learn Python, means again no need to come back and learn Python. Here and there some syntax difference will be there, but almost all the languages are having same kind of coding. People don't know about this. Then people are feeling that what coding is very difficult. Learning each language will take a lot of time. People are having that kind of assumptions. I can't say phobia, but it's a kind of assumptions, right? People are having such kind of assumptions, right? I just want to clarify that. So guys, okay, tell me what natural language is. Natural language means what, guys? A medium, to convey what's a past, present, and okay, future information, data, whatever it is. Okay, what are all the examples you can say? Yeah, please be in mute whenever, okay, whenever you are not talking to me, please. Tell me example. English. Okay, right? English, Hindi, Telugu, even Marathi.
French.
Okay, Korean, German. Okay, blah blah blah. I'm not writing all. Okay, these are all comes under which category? Natural languages. What's the second category? Formal languages, na? Formal languages are not for everything or anything. Formal languages are used for a particular purpose, which I'm calling it as what purpose? Specific purpose. But I'm saying specific for a particular purpose. I'll give an example. See, guys in online, try to get my point. Okay, na? Just I'm talking about what language now? Formal language. Formal language is not for conveying everything. To convey a specific thing. I'll tell you. For example, understand everyone. For example, accounts. Okay. Tell me with accounts, what can be conveyed? People are doing accounts, right? Finance people are using accounts as their language, right? What accounts will convey? What accounts people will say finally? What
Their
they will convey?
credit and debit history.
Profit and
Credit,
loss.
credit information, debit information, profit, loss. Are you getting my point or not, right? So accounts, let us take accounts as one language. Accounts can be used for conveying everything or a specific purpose. What is the purpose?
Specific.
For a specific purpose.
What's the purpose? Related to profit and loss. Am I right or not? Okay. Let us take one more example. Statistics. Take one example called what? Statistics. Tell me, statistics is also a specific purpose, na? Statistics, for example, what is the gender ratio, male female ratio in India? Okay, from 2016 to 2022. Tell me, statistics can tell this information or not? Right? So statistics is for what? Statistics is you can take it like a language, a formal language, to convey something about past information. For example, in between the age of 40 to 50, how many people were died in the second term of corona? Okay. In the second wave of corona, how many people died which are in age between 40 and 50? Tell me, statistical data will say that or not? Yes or no? The accounts will say?
Yes, sir.
Will accounts say? No, right? But who can
No.
say?
Statistic.
So statistics is given for that purpose, na? You are getting my point or not? Yes or no? Right. Tell me, accounts, statistics, these are for, or these formal languages are given for what? For a specific purpose, na? Now coming to our language. What you are going to learn now? Java.
Programming language.
Java is one of the available programming languages. Tell me, can I convey in Java that I am hungry? Can I convey that?
No.
I am
No.
hungry? Tell me in accounts, I am hungry. But sir, stomach credited, mouth debited, something like that. We can't say, na? Can you convey that I am hungry in accounts? No. Can you convey I am hungry in Java? No, right? In statistics? No. But I can convey in natural language? Yes, I can. You are getting my point or not? So formal languages are given for what? Specific purpose. Natural languages are given for to convey anything and everything which is related to past, present, and even future also. Guys, online guys, have you understood this small point first before we go on to the other points?
Yes.
Everyone, is it
Yes.
clear?
Yes.
Is it clear? Yes. Thank you. What are the names I told? Accounts,
Statistics.
statistics.
Programming.
I think you know one word. If all algebras at one place, we call it as algebra. Got my point? Then programming languages. Tell me, first point is all programming languages are comes under which category? Formal languages. Tell me, what is the purpose of the programming languages? What is the programming purpose of the programming languages?
To convey
To
our
convey
information to the
specific thing.
computer.
Specific thing. To convey specific thing to whom? Computer. Exactly. Machine. Tell me now, programming languages are used for dash to convey specific things to the machines or computers. They are comes under which category? Which category? Formal languages. Is this
Formal.
point clear now? Is this point clear now? First point is clear, I think. You got clarity on my session first now, right? Tell me what is the purpose of programming languages? Don't think about Java, C Sharp, Python, blah, blah, blah. Okay, right? Just I'm talking about general programming language. Because almost all programming languages are one and same. Syntax will vary. One language will write left side. Other language will write right side. You are getting my point or not? Okay. Just only a small difference is there. People don't know about that. And learning this programming in a very difficult way. The people are also teaching like that only. But actually it's not correct. You are getting my point or not, right? Some difference is there. Like how, you know, for example, guys, for example, online guys, I'm trying to tell you, you just imagine like this now. For example, guys, there is a line. There is a line. Okay, because I don't want to explain many things in the first session itself. From tomorrow, I'll give you more and more. This is one line. Okay, you want to write something in English. Okay, tell me where you begin. English statements you will write.
From left
This is
side.
one. You have a rule notebook, na? You have a rule notebook, right? Now you want to write English on that in that row or in that line. From where to where you write?
From left.
Left to right.
Okay. English will write left to right. Hindi will write left to right. Telugu will write left to right. That's okay. I don't know whether Urdu, Arabic, they may write in right to left, but generally we write from left to right. My question is now, bottom to top, top to bottom.
Top to bottom.
On a line, when you are writing some statement in English, how do you write, guys?
Top to bottom.
Bottom to top, na? Okay, this is a line. This is a line, right? This is one line, right? Java full stack there. Java full stack. Nothing but you are writing from bottom to the entire row is containing the address from bottom to top, na? On top of the line you are writing, right? Write in Hindi. Write in Hindi. Bottom to top, top to bottom.
Top to bottom.
That's it. Why I'm taking this example? To tell you that programming languages are not difficult. People made them difficult. If you know one programming language, just with the help of that one programming knowledge, multiple programmings you can learn easily. But don't by heart the programming at any time. Online guys, are you getting my point? Do you agree with me?
Yes, understood.
Yes.
You understood my point? Thank you. Guys, okay. Some quick response I'm expecting from you guys. Okay, thank you. But more response also I'm expecting from you. Okay? Right. Guys, tell me these programming languages comes under which category? Formal languages. Tell me what is the purpose of programming languages? I'm not talking about Java, guys. Today I'm not talking about Java. I'm talking about general discussion about languages. Okay, right? General discussion about what now? That is our requirement. Today we are discussing only about general discussion about what now? Languages. Please. Tell me. Tell me. Guys, what's the purpose of programming languages? Programming languages. Programming languages
To convey
are
specific
used, yes, are used
To
to
convey
convey
specific thing
thing
to
the
a
computer.
mission.
To the
convey
machine.
specific thing to what?
A mission.
Specific things to the machine. Okay. If I directly type this first statement, programming languages are used to convey specific things to the machine without explaining all these things. This statement will go from here, will enter from here, will exit from here, right? Obviously.
Yes.
Okay, right. Will enter from one ear, exit from other ear. We can't remember this. Right, okay? Cool. Don't worry, guys. Okay, I'll take care of you. I'll take care of you. You will feel very easy in writing the coding. That I can assure. Come to the point. Okay. Programming languages are used to convey specific things to the machine. That's okay, good. What are the programming languages you know?
C, C++,
C
Java,
Java.
Python,
What are the
C#,
types of the programming languages you know?
object-oriented programming language, procedural-oriented programming language.
Okay, 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 okay. One thing I want to ask you. I want to ask you. Programming languages are actually divided into 3 types. How many? 3 types. You know these names actually. But whenever I say, oh, this is what, you know that. One is called low level languages. What are they? Low level languages. Excellent. Second one. Okay, high level languages. Third one.
Assembly languages.
Exactly. Assembly languages. So what are the 3 categories now? What are the 3 categories of languages? Programming languages. What are they? Low level languages.
High level languages.
Don't say mid level. Next. Assembly language and high level language. Low level language is also called as binary language. Which language? Binary language. You are getting my point? Yes. Now here I want to get something from your end, guys. Okay, first let me write here because this point will go out, right? Tell me, guys. Programming languages are how many categories now? Very good. Are of 3 categories. 3 categories are 3 types. Whatever you want. Please tell me what's the first one? Low level.
Low level.
Very good. Low level, which is also called as binary. Binary. Second one is, guys, yes,
High
assembly. Assembly language. Third one, high level. High level. You got my point now? Right. Tell me, how many categories of programming languages are there? 3. What are they? Low level, assembly, and high level are the 3 categories. Now, I want to ask you one question. Guys in online, please respond very quickly and fastly. Okay. How many alphabets are there? How many alphabets are there
26.
in English?
26.
How many
26.
alphabets are there in English? Please tell me.
26.
Guys, everyone in online. I think you know this, right? For this, Java knowledge is not required.
26.
26.
Yes. After guys, what is your answer? How many?
6.
This is what? Our studies. This is what our studies, right? Guys, in English or in any language, there is only one alphabet. English has only one alphabet. That one alphabet has 26 letters. They are not 26 alphabets. Our LKG, UKG, nursery books are wrong. They are not alphabets. Okay. You ask the Google or Chat GPT after the session. Hey, Chat GPT, tell me how many alphabets are there in English? How many alphabets are there? Only one alphabet which contains 26 letters. You got my point? Yes. Coming to binary. Binary language also contain one alphabet with 2 letters. What are they?
Zeros and
Exactly. Zeros and ones. You got my point? Machines can only understand. Very good. Machine cannot understand your Java. From 1960s to till today, your mobile, your tablet, your laptop, your PC, or your supercomputer, or your cloud computer, whatever the word you say, all these machines can only understand binary language. It can only understand 2 letters. What are they? Zeros
Zero
and
and one.
ones. Do you guys got the clarity now? Means finally one point is very clear. Machine cannot understand. My system cannot understand Java. My system cannot understand Java. It can only understand what? Zeros and ones. Then why I'm learning Java? I can directly write the code in binary language, right? Am I right or not? Why should I learn Java, Python, all these
Yes.
things? I can write in binary language like 0 and 1.
It's not
can guess.
human.
Yes, exactly. That's point I'm going to write. See, guys, binary is difficult for human beings. Let me tell you. First of all, guys, I'll write sub points here. Everyone, tell me, binary language has how many alphabets? Again, you're saying same answer. One
one.
alphabet. Every language has one alphabet only. Any language you take. A language consists one alphabet with the remaining letters. English that we know frequently we are using to communicate. So English has one alphabet with 26 letters. Binary language has one alphabet with 2 letters. What are they? Zeros and
Zeros and
ones.
ones.
So binary language has one alphabet. Okay, one alphabet with how many? 2 letters. With the 2 letters. What are the 2 letters? 0 and 1. Okay, tell me, machines can only understand. Machines or computers can only understand what? Binary language. It cannot understand Java. It cannot understand .NET or Apex or C#, whatever. It does not understand. It only understands which language? Binary. When the machines are only understanding binary language, then why should I learn all these languages or any one of these languages to survive, to lead my life? Okay. For example, guys in online, try to listen to me clearly, carefully. I'll give you some very good idea today if you are following me today. For example, A, one letter A. To write in binary language, A is written like this: 100,001. This is A. In which language? Now start writing Apple. Tell the machine about Apple. You got
We
my point?
can't say.
You can't say. It's out of the scope of the human beings. But who can understand that? Machines can
Machine.
only understand zeros and ones binary language, but you cannot write. It's difficult to write. Can you write any? Can you give instructions to the computer by writing zeros and ones? Okay, right? By writing in zeros and ones using binary language, no? Very difficult. Okay, you tried very hard, day and night, something you written. But some mistake happened. Computer is not understanding what you said. Now to rectify that mistake also, it's going to be very, very difficult. Tell me what's the problem with the binary language? Yes?
Only 0 and 1 is there.
What's the problem with this?
Not a human readable.
Binary language is not human understandable or readable. Please understand my point, okay? Is my class understandable to you now? Yes? Thank you. But binary language is not understandable. It's not human readable, not understandable even. It's difficult to rectify the problems. If any problem comes, you tried very hard and written something, but there is a problem occur, then it's too difficult to rectify the problem. You getting my point now? So binary language is not human readable, not understandable. You got my point? And tell me guys, and rectifying the errors is very difficult. Is very difficult. Okay, right? Nice, good guys. Tell me what the second category of language now. Assembly. What happened now from low level languages, because low level languages are difficult for the human beings either to write the code to the machine or to rectify the mistakes. It's very difficult now. What the next thing came up? Please come. What the next thing came up? Assembly language. What is it, guys? Assembly language. Please take a chair. Yeah, guys in online, are you getting my point? Everyone respond fastly, guys. Online guys, make it fast. Type Y or N in chat box. That's enough for me. Yes, Y or N. Please, Y or N. That's it. Only one letter. That's sufficient for me. Please. Right. Guys, are you clear now? You got the clarity? Tell me now what's the next category of language we have? Assembly. Remember, computer cannot understand assembly language. Cannot understand high level language. But only what it can understand? Binary
Low level
language.
language.
Binary language. Then how come we people are able to write the programs in Java so that my computer is understanding? Because of there are some translators. There are some translators available. They will convert my high level language code to that binary language code or machine understandable code. You're getting my point or not? Okay, I will also ask you a question. Even I'll explain that point also. Okay, slowly we'll get into the subject, but first try to understand the basic. It is very, very important for everyone to know. For the second category, assembly. In assembly language, what happened? Instead of writing zeros and ones, we got small words. Assembly language contains instructions like words. Add, add, sub sub, mul multiply, div div, mod mod. You're getting my point or not? These are all what? Words. Writing words is better than writing zeros and ones, na? Am I right or not? Yes or no? Yes. Guys in are getting my point? Please tell me, you got my point or not? Guys? Yes. In assembly language, the instructions to the machine can be given in what, sir? Words. For example, assembly language words are capital letters. Add, div, sub, mul for multiply, etc. Guys, You got my point? Right. This is which language? So assembly level means assembly language code contains this kind of words to give instructions to the machines. So we can convey something now compared to binary language, which is better. Assembly language is better. At least we can
Yes.
able to rectify something if any mistake comes. Have written anywhere? I mean, have you seen anywhere assembly language code? I think when you are reading, it may not be there. For me, it is one subject. Okay, for me, assembly language subject is there. Okay, I know how to write these kind of instructions. I have written. These are called assembly language. Online people are getting my point. Which is better than what? Assembly language is better than. This point is very clear for all of us. Do you got clarity now? Okay. Then why again we got high level languages, and then so many high level languages came in the market? Got the clarity? I'll explain. See, for example, I think something like 8085 processor, 8086 processor, right?
Yes, sir.
You people know about electronics. Am I right or not? Even our mobiles are also using some processor, right? All right. Qualcomm Snapdragon 7
Yes,
series, 8 series. Processors are there. Processor architectures
sir.
are there. 8085, 8086, 80886. You heard the names, right? That is
Yes.
enough for me. That is enough for me. Problem with the assembly language is what? Suppose I have a computer with 8085 processor. Which processor? Then my assembly language instructions will only work for 8085 processor computer only. Doesn't work for 8086. You got my point? You assume like this. I have a mobile. Assume that it is a 8085 processor mobile. Mobile also has a processor, right? Say WhatsApp application is developed in assembly language. Feel that. WhatsApp developed in assembly language. Assembly language instructions are processor dependent. For which processor WhatsApp application developed? 8085. My mobile has 8085. Tomorrow, I am purchasing a new mobile which has 8086 processor. Can you tell me, can I install? Can I get all my old chart information there? Is it possible? No, right? Tell me what's the problem with the assembly language then? Comparatively, assembly language is better than
Binary
getting in
language.
binary language. But the problem is,
It is a version specific.
it is a
Platform
processor
dependent.
Processor.
dependent. It is a processor dependent. If a program is written for 8085 processor, it will only work on 8085, but doesn't work on 8086. You got my point? Yes. We have to get it. That's the reason why this is also not good for the developers, right? Then was the next category of languages come up? High level languages. You got my point? Okay, right. But how high level languages will help us? Because in high level languages, okay, we are telling the instructions to the computer in just like normal English sentences. Am I right or not? How are you telling? Looks like normal English sentences. See, binary language means zeros and ones. Assembly language means words. High level language means sentences. Tell me which is better easy for human beings to understand, write, rectify. Sentences na? Able to follow me now? Sentences na? Very good. So binary language, you have to write code in zeros and ones. In assembly language, using words, but in high level language, using sentences. Tell me Java, whatever the core that you are just taking up now. Java is a dash level language. Guys in
High
online,
level language.
please respond. Everyone has to respond. Please respond. What type of language? Which category of language it is? Online guys.
High level.
High level. Everyone I am asking. Shekhar, Akshay,
High level
Ashok.
languages.
Yeah, Ashutosh, Balakrishna. I'm asking
High
all
level.
of you guys. Chaitanya, everyone. Kalpak, Kapil, Krunal, Mohammed, everyone. Naveen. Everyone I'm asking. Okay. I'm not asking for a individual guys. Okay. I'm asking every one of you. Okay. Right. Can you tell me what is the problem here? Can you tell me what's the problem here? Sorry. It is what dependent? Processor dependent.
Processor dependent.
Yes. Assembly languages are comparative, or assembly language better. Assembly language is comparatively better for the humans than which language? Binary language to write the code or instructions. But the problem is what?
They are a processor dependent.
Assembly language instructions are what, guys? Instructions are, tell me once again. Assembly language instructions are what? Processor dependent. Do you guys got clarity? Then tell me what's the next level languages now? High level. In a high level languages, how do you write the instructions?
In sentences.
In the form
Sentence.
of sentences. What's the advantage of writing sentences? Easily developers or programmers or humans, whoever you can say, usually the humans can able to write the instructions, can able to identify the mistakes, can able to rectify the mistakes. Am I right or not? Right. So tell me now, which level I'm talking about? So high level or in high level language, because there are multiple high level. So in high level languages, guys, tell me everyone. In high level languages, we write the instructions in, or we write the instructions to the computer in, or to the machine in what now? Sentences. Everybody got my point? You got my point? Yes. Yes. In what now? In what we are writing now? In sentences. Who can understand them? Programmers can easily write the sentences. Identifying the mistakes is easy. Rectifying them also very easy. But will the computer can understand them? No. What a computer can only understand? Binary language. Okay. What are the examples of high level language you are talking about? Tell me some number. Java, Python. So many
Python.
boards you are seeing, na?
C.
So many boards you are finding there, right? 50% are fraud. Tell me. Java, Python. C, C++. Many.
JavaScript,
Apex,
TypeScript.
Go. Google's language is Go, na? Go is a language from Google. Okay, Kotlin, blah, blah, blah. Leave it, not required. Tell me, these are all what kind of languages? These are all called what level languages?
High level.
High level languages. What's the purpose of, what's the advantage of high level languages? developers can easily, or humans can easily write the instructions, can rectify whenever there is any mistake, able to follow me, right? Can able to modify easily, able to follow simple. Writing modification becomes very easy, but will the computer understand them? No. No. What computer will understand?
Low level or
Only
binary level.
binary. It cannot
Binary.
understand assembly also. It cannot understand high level language also. It can only understand what? Binary language.
Binary.
Then how come you are writing the program and your computer is executing? Because of there are translators. So finally, what I'm saying here, I'm not talking about whether it is compiler. I think you heard the name, right? Compiler, interpreter. I don't want to use such names now. You know about Java, Java compiler. At least you got some idea about that. I feel Java compiler, right? Java virtual machine. In short, we call it JVM. You people have some idea about those words, maybe. If not, also very good. Don't worry. Okay. I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about a point called there are some kind of translators. Okay, right? Tell me. You are writing one high level language code. Okay. Okay. So who is a hero here? Translators.
Translate.
Who is a heroine?
JVM.
Binary language.
Okay, right. You know, for the Telugu movie ne Mattarintiకి Daredi. Right? Who is that? Brahmanandam. Right. మన దరిద్రం ఏంటంటే హీరోయిన్ కూడా రైట్. ఓకే, హై లెవెల్ లాంగ్వేజ్, there are translators, they are converted into what, sir?
Binary.
Binary language. Computers can only understand what? Is it clear for all of you? Right.
Yes.
Now my question to you, any of these are sentences only, na? Then why can't I directly write the sentences in English, Hindi, Telugu, Tamil, Marathi, Kannada? Why? I want to tell you one thing. Are you writing the Java program in English? Are you going to write the Java program in English? Yeah. Guys, online guys. Okay, there is a link provided in chat. Please join to that link, okay, to get all the updates. Okay, there is a link provided in chat. Please join here for class updates. Everybody, please join. Yeah, online guys, please join. Guys, you got my question now? Why can't I write directly in English? Right, why I need to teach you this programming language Java, then you have to learn. Why all these things? Why can't you directly write in? There are also sentences only, na? Then why?
Java has its own syntax. Like
You
own
take any
rules.
programming language, that programming language has a translator which can convert. Suppose like Java has a translator which will convert Java language to binary language. But we don't have a translator to convert English to binary language.
Binary.
Or Telugu to binary language. Or Hindi to what we don't have? Translators. That's the reason why we cannot able to write the programs in English, right? By learning some English syntaxes or grammar, we can't write. If example, assume that there is a translator also available in English to convert into binary language, then I no need to teach you, no need to learn. Just English is enough to learn. You are able to get my point? So what we don't have? We don't have translators. We don't have translators who can convert the languages, natural language like English, Hindi into binary. That's the reason why we are not writing. So we are learning some other language and we are writing. What language we are learning now to write the code? To give instruction to the computer? Java. Some people are learning Python. Some people are learning C#. You are able to follow me, right? Yes. At some point of time, whenever time permits, I will give you the reason why we don't have translators. See, people are inventing so many things. Am I right or not? People are inventing so many things. If you just tell something based on your instructions or your words, video is created. Google Gemini. What is Google Gemini? What is Gemini? Not JVM, I'm talking Gemini. Gemini. Gemini is like a chat GPT.
Yeah, don't know.
It is called Gen AI tool, generative AI tool. Launched
Okay,
very
got it.
recently, last week only.
Yes.
Last week only it's launched. It's a competitor for chat GPT. You're getting my point or not? Are you started using chat GPT? No?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Some people are saying yes, no, okay, online, nice, good, cool. I'll tell you how to use it also properly. But don't use it for unnecessary things also. Reason behind it is, again, I want to tell you the reason, actual reason. Don't use chat GPT. Okay. Please tell me, chat GPT, what is a nickname that I can keep for my girlfriend? Right. If for every 8 to 10 questions that you are asking, that machines are drinking half liter of water, 500 ml water. If people started using like this, soon we are going to get lot of water scarcity. Microsoft using lot of 22 billion liters of water is used by their
Data
combination of
centers.
ChatGPT and that OpenAI and Microsoft combinedly working na, on the generative AI tools, AI kind of things. Okay, right. 22 billion liters of water equal to half of the 6 months usage of UK's people. Okay, lot of information is there with me. I will tell you whenever the sessions are going on. General knowledge this is, along with program knowledge also I'll provide you. Okay, don't worry about that. But guys, what I'm trying to tell you now, why don't or why can't we write the programs in English or our mother tongue? Because we don't have translators. Question is what here? People are inventing so many things. Then why people are not able to invent this kind of small translators for English, Telugu, Marathi and all? There is a particular reason for that. A very strong reason for that. At some point of time, I'll explain you. Not now, but at some point of time, definitely I'll give you why. But currently, can we write the programs in English, Telugu, Hindi, or in programming languages?
In programming languages.
Java program you are writing in English, Java programming language. Java programming language, right? Python programs are writing in which language? Python language. It may look like English. Are you getting my point or not? You got my clarity? You got my point clearly? Yes,
Yes,
or no?
yes.
Very good. So, question is what here? I'll tell you the reasons later. Question. Why can't I write a program in my mother tongue. If you have any spelling mistakes, please correct me. What's the answer? What's the answer? You know, what's the answer? We don't
Translator.
have translators. We don't have translators. If people need to understand, we don't have simply what? Translators. If there is a translator, it can convert that language to binary language. Am I right or not? Yes. So we have programming language, Java, like that. We have translators. Very good. Cool. Now coming to the point, guys, I have to explain 2-3 other points before I wind up, or some more things to explain. Guys in online, please just give me a confirmation. So far, whatever we have discussed, in the session, is it clear for you? Just type in chat box, just Y or N. Both are accepted. Both are accepted. Is it clear? Just type one letter, guys. I don't want to give you more burden. Just one letter, Y or N. Just one letter you type in chat box. That's enough for me. Please type very quickly. We have less time. We have very less time. Please type very quickly.
What is the difference between
It's not-
8085 and 8086, sir?
That is, you need to learn again electronics microprocessor. Their architecture is different, na? Very good. Good. Please, guys, make it fast. I'm waiting for your response. Literally, I'm waiting.
It's not allow us to type.
Yes, please. Online, guys. Okay, you can also type in, or you can speak with me directly. Good. Cool.
Yes.
Coming to the point, guys. Thank you. Yes. Okay. Very good. So far in the past sessions, whatever is completed, I think you know about front end. What is front end? What is back end? What is database? What is full stack? What are the different possibilities of application development available? Okay. And I think you may know about how to install Java if I'm not wrong. Right. Okay. How to install, again, I'll show you how to install Java because some of the new guys you can able to follow. But concept is not yet started, right? Concept I will begin now. So far, what you know is how to install Java. Have you written any Java program, guys, online guys, so far in these sessions? In these full stack Java sessions, when you join, have you started writing any Java program?
Yesterday
Anyone?
we write only simple. program.
Yesterday you got one simple program. Have you written
Yes.
simple program yesterday?
Yes.
Hello world.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. And that is very common, quite common. Everybody will start. Even everybody has to start with hello world only. Right. Okay. Yeah. Good.
But we started with welcome to Ashok IT.
Okay. Any welcome, hello, how are you all?
Yeah.
Just this type of syntax.
Yes.
That's all.
Yes. Got you. Yes. From there I will continue. Don't worry. Okay. I'll again show you how to install Java for the people who are attending newly from today. Don't worry. Then I'll tell you syntax or structure of writing the program in Java. Then we'll start writing some basic things. I'll tell you about what are keywords, identifiers, and data types. So many things will come up one by one will come up. Okay. Operators and all. But my approach is a different approach. Okay. Right. Now, as of now, whatever that I have explained, do you guys got clarity? So far, whatever I've explained, is it clear for all of you? Right. Now, if anybody asks a question, hey, why are you learning Java, .NET, all these? Why can't you write directly in English? What is your answer? Because we don't have any translators. Are you getting my point or not, right? Somebody asks you, a computer can only understand zeros and ones, I know. Then why are you writing the program in Java?
Sir, translator
Because
is
we don't
also
What is the
have
answer to say?
available, sir.
Writing zeros and ones is very, very difficult.
Difficult.
So I can write the programs in high level so that I can rectify the problems. I can modify the code very easily. Then who will make this code understandable for your machine? Translator will do that. Translators will do that. That a translator is a compiler, interpreter, that's a secondary. But finally, we call that person as translator. You got the clarity now? Right. Very good. Nice. Now I want to.
Translator is not language, sir.
Sorry. It is also one program. Translate is also one program. See, simple word I can tell you. Chinese president is visiting India to meet Indian president and with a dialogue. Chinese president don't know about English. Indian president don't know about Chinese. Your press meets and all you are observing now. Who is there? Translator. But that guy has the capacity, right? That guy has a capacity. He can able to translate Chinese to English or English to Chinese. That guy has a capacity, right? He's a translator. Similar way, you understand this. Got my point? Yes. Tell me now. Generally, when you are learning English, I'll tell you how to learn programming language. How to learn programming language, I'll give you the road path. To learn English, or when you are writing or learning English, are you directly writing paragraphs? No, right? Now, what you'll do first?
Letters.
To construct will come from top, from up to down.
Character.
Paragraphs you want to write. Tell me before that what you write. Paragraphs are constructed with sentences, na? Paragraphs. Next.
Sentence.
Sentences. Very good.
Word. And then character.
Sentences to
Character. Word.
words.
And words to character.
What is word?
A group of sentences.
Group of letters.
Group of characters.
Can I call a group of characters as a word?
Yes.
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 Wow. Then tell me J, K, Y, I, W. Is it a word?
No.
You told, na? Group of characters is a word. You told, I written. That's important. What is word?
Which gives a meaningful.
A group of characters which derives a meaning. Am I right or not? Everybody getting my point? If I type Miller, is it a word? Miller is the name of a person. It's a word, right? What your dictionary contains? Dictionary contains what was? What a
Group of
dictionary
words.
has? English dictionary, Oxford.
Word.
Words.
Word. Only word. Word with meaning, na?
Yes.
Tell me what is word now?
It is a group of meaningful characters.
A group of characters
With a meaningful
which derives a meaning.
meaning.
Which
Yeah.
derives a meaning for it. Why don't you find J, K, Y, I, W in Oxford dictionary? Because it doesn't have any meaning. Because it is not a word. It is not a word, was. Got my point? Tell me words, sentences. Next what? Paragraphs. Got my point? Yes? Right. And I'll relate with the programming language now. This is very important. Actually, in this entire session, I want to convey this last one. Tell me what the three? Paragraphs. Guys in online people, please respond. Yeah, paragraphs. Sentences. Then what? Words. Okay. Tell me, how do you form the sentences?
With words.
Somebody is required to construct sentences by using words, na? Argument pandit. I water drinking. Tell me, these are words, na? Then tell me now. I has a meaning. I is a word, even the single character. Next. Drinking. Water. These are words only, na? Able to follow me? Then tell me how to form the sentence now. I am drinking. Tell me what you have applied to form the sentence. Grammar. Exactly. Tell me words are combined with grammar to form what? Sentences. Sentences are combined with grammar to form what? Paragraphs. Keep in mind, paragraph is like a program. What is that? Program. Program. Sentences like statements. What are they? Statements. Understand me. Statements. Words are tokens. What is that? Tokens. Coming to programming, I'm talking about. Okay, I'm leaving about the general discussion. We are straightforward coming to the real concept. Okay, online guys, are you getting my point? Guys in online, please let me know. Please let me know. Are you able to follow the session?
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Thanks a lot. Observe here. Tokens. Tokens are used to form what? Sentences. Means what here? Statements. But in English, we applied what there? Grammar, na? Here we need to apply syntax. What is that? Tell me now. Tokens, by applying syntax, we can form statements. Statements with the syntax, we can form programs.
Program.
So learning a programming language is very, very easy if you have this much clarity. No, start writing hello world program, class name, public static void main. If that is the way that you are learning, then every programming language becomes like a new language for you. If you learn in this way, all programming languages will come under one roof. It will be very easy. Okay, I repeat my point. Why I'm wantonly taking these sessions of especially core Java. Okay, with 16 plus years of experience, I no need to take core Java, right? All high level I can talk. Spring Boot with ChatGPT, with Gemini integrations, I can teach. With the DevOps and with all. With the Java and Salesforce integrations, I can teach. I know Salesforce. Currently, I'm getting my hands on dirty with Salesforce now. In my company, I'm now working on Salesforce project. Okay, but wantedly why I'm taking is this clarity is everybody missing out. When taking an interview, people are unable to open their mouth. This is where the people are missing out. Then I said, okay, I'll take core Java sessions. If you give me a batch, then I will teach them exactly what they have to learn and how they need to apply the logics and everything. That's why I started the session. Whether you believe me or not, that's the reason why I started the session. Otherwise, I don't need to take the sessions. Okay, right? And teaching is not new for me. I'm also in this teaching from almost 14, 15 years. It's not correct to say the institute name. I'm not telling the institute name. That's it. It's not a good to say institute name, but I know entire Amirpet, how so many people have seen from past 15 years. Okay, right? So this is the way how you have to learn. Tokens. Tokens means, again, there are 5 categories of tokens. I'll tell you tomorrow because we don't have much time today. I think you know about keyword, literal, identifier, string, operator. How many you got? 4 or 5? 5. These 5 are called Tokens. What are the tokens? Tell me once again. Keywords. Yesterday, you people said that I've written one program, right? Class name you are typing, na? That first class is what? Keyword. Very good. That's a token. That's a token. Excellent. Nice. Keyword. Next. Literal, operator, identifiers, strings, public static void main in parenthesis. What you written? Very good. String. What is that string? Token. You got my point? So tokens, by applying syntax, what you can create? Statements. Statements with syntax, what you can create? Programs. This is the way of learning the programming languages. Do you guys got clarity for today? I need to leave now. Is it okay? Is everybody got clarity? Whatever so far I have explained in the session today. You all have access to the class notes, guys in online. This also I will paste there. Do you have access to the class note? Do you know how to access class notes?
No, sir,
you are
don't
accessing?
have.
Not yet?
No.
I think not yet started. Probably. No, don't worry. I will tell you. I'll tell you how to access and all. In the session, not today. Tomorrow, I'll tell you how to access. Meanwhile, I'm saving it here. But tomorrow, we'll maintain one document. One MSO document or something will maintain. Every day, date, on that day, whatever I'm writing, whatever I'm explaining, that will be there in the document. That will be shared to you. Next, tomorrow also what in the same document, date will be different. Means one document only will contain entire your core Java. Whenever, if I'm keeping 4, 5, 6, 7 documents are per day one document, you may miss out. But if everything is in one document, that's very good, na? These are all will come into the document only. Now I'm typing in Notepad, but actually I'm just going to keep it into MSO document. Is it clear for all of you? Nice, thank you. Online guys, do you have any questions to me? Guys in online, please tell me, do you have any questions to me? I'm winding
Sir,
up the
I have.
session for today.
Sir,
I
is
will-
this class started from today or it is running?
Just, I started this session from today at 8:30.
Okay.
Okay, I started the session today only from 8:30.